You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken Tech for your ears.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're jumping into some pretty exciting recent breakthroughs. We're talking design tools, mobile tech, AI innovation. It feels like the digital landscape is really shifting under our feet.
It really does.
Okay, let's unpack this.
Yeah.
From making design accessible to, giving our phones a whole new look, there's quite a bit to explore.
And what's fascinating here is how these, seemingly disparate updates actually connect. They reveal these broader trends in how we interact with technology and, crucially, how we create things.
Yeah, the connections. That's interesting. So speaking of creating things, Figma Make, their AI design tool, it's just moved out of beta, right? General availability now.
Yeah, that's right. It's out there for everyone.
And the big promise seems to be democratizing prototyping, making it faster for, anyone, designers, PMs, engineers.
Exactly. And that ties perfectly into this idea that AI needs UI.
AI needs UI. Okay, tell me more about that.
Well, the most successful AI isn't just raw power. It's when it's integrated smoothly into the tools people already use. You get these AI-augmented experiences. Figma Make is a great case study. It doesn't replace designers, it turbocharges them, makes creating high-fidelity prototypes way faster, and lets others chip in easily.
So the UI makes the AI actually useful, accessible.
Precisely. Good UI is becoming even more critical, not less.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
Let's shift gears a bit, from design tools to the phones in our pockets. iOS 26. First off, the naming change aligning with the year. Makes sense, I suppose.
Yeah, a bit more straightforward.
But the big visual thing is this liquid glass overhaul. Dynamic, glassy elements, fluid animations.
Yeah.
Sounds pretty slick.
It does look very polished.
Is it just about looking good, though? Or is there more to it?
Oh, there's definitely more. If we connect this to the bigger picture, it really underscores how aesthetics and usability are, intertwined. It reminds me of that concept, the hidden cost of poor navigation.
Okay. Like how website navigation can make or break things.
Exactly. Take Wayfair, they restructured their site navigation based on how users actually think and search. And bam! Category page views went up 23%, conversions by 15%. Huge impact.
Wow, just some navigation changes.
Yeah. So iOS 26, with its visual and functional changes like the revamped phone app, call screening, hold assist, things like that, it shows Apple is focusing on aligning the whole experience, visual and functional, with user expectations.
Making it feel intuitive, basically.
Right. Aligning with those mental models is key.
Got it. Okay, so from using our phones to creating content on them, let's talk YouTube Shorts. They're rolling out new generative AI features, an image-to-video tool.
Yep. Take a static photo, and it uses Google's VO2 model to generate a 6-second video.
6 seconds. Interesting. And there's an AI playground hub, too.
Right, a central place for these AI creation tools. It's launching first in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand.
So what does this mean for creators? Does this lower the barrier even further?
It absolutely does, but it also raises that interesting question we keep seeing with AI content. Is it, genius or kind of soulless? We saw that debate with AI-generated ads.
Right, the uncanny valley effect sometimes.
Exactly. But the undeniable thing is how these really powerful tools are being put into easy-to-use platforms. It shifts the focus maybe from technical skill towards the creative idea itself.
Makes sense. With all this tech moving so fast, though, it feels important to circle back to core design skills. You mentioned a couple of maybe overlooked areas, like understanding how to talk with executives.
Oh, definitely. That's crucial.
How do you do that effectively? Keep it short, I assume.
Keep it concise, absolutely. But also translate what UX metrics mean in business terms. Talk about ROI, efficiency gains, use visuals, data they understand.
Speak your language, basically.
You got it. The other one was vanilla moments. I like that phrase. What is that exactly?
Vanilla moments are those small, ordinary, real-world behaviors that can totally break a system you thought was perfectly designed. Can you give an example?
Sure. Imagine someone trying to use a smart speaker while juggling groceries and maybe a kid on their hip. The voice commands might work fine when they have free hands in a quiet lab setting, but that real-world vanilla moment, it exposes a major flaw.
Okay. So it's about observing real life, not just the ideal scenario. Requires some humility.
A lot of humility and just keeping your eyes open.
Okay, great point. Now, for a final curveball. Tiny screens, big impact. Feature phones. Are we really talking about those?
We really are. It sounds counterintuitive, right?
Totally. I thought that market was, gone.
That's the biggest misconception. Over 200 million non-smartphones are still sold every year. 200 million.
Seriously.
And many of them aren't just basic call and text devices anymore. They have 4G, Wi-Fi, app capabilities.
So they can run web apps.
Yes, especially with modern remote browser tech like CloudPhone or operating systems like Kaios built specifically for them. It makes building web apps for this huge, underserved market surprisingly feasible.
Huh. So there's a whole world beyond the latest iPhone or Android flagship.
A massive world, tiny screens, potentially big impact. It's a forgotten art, almost.
What a tour. Okay, so wrapping this up, it feels like the big themes are AI making creation more accessible, UIs constantly evolving, both visually and functionally.
Yeah, and the ongoing need for those core skills.
Right, communicating value, observing the real world, those vanilla moments. It seems like even as tech speeds up, the fundamentals remain critical.
Absolutely. And maybe the ultimate challenge isn't just building the next shiny thing, but building it thoughtfully, learning from those everyday interactions, remembering that even a tiny screen serves a real person with real needs. Keep those eyes open, like we said. You never know where the next key insight is hiding.
Spoken Tech for your ears.